So we have successfully implemented our CRUD operation with the login function. Now for this same project I am going to add logout option, right? So when I log in on successful login, I will navigate into the dashboard page, right? Then if I click logout, on that time we need to navigate into the home page again. That means our welcome page, not in this admin dashboard. For that you can see we have logout button. I am going to change this into the, so for this we will give request name as a logout. We need to change here, and also inside update traveler here also we need to add logout, right? And in add new traveler page also here also logout, right? So we'll add controller request for this one. I'm going to add the new case with the name logout. So we'll call logout user method. Right, so when you click logout button, on that time we'll send our user into the response.send redirect to index.jsp, right? Index.jsp page. Right, so this is fine, right? If I run this one, when I click logout, on that time refresh this one again, we'll send back into the home page. But still I can bypass this login, right? So now I haven't login, but here in the URL I'm going to type dashboard and press enter. I have bypassed this login, right? We need to prevent this one. To prevent this one, we are using session, right? So when you log in, on successful login, we can create a session variable, right? We have successful login method, that means check login method. On successful login, I am going to create a session variable by using HTTP session class. We can create a session which is equal to request.get session. Then I am going to create a session variable for the user. Variable value will be username. Now we have this session variable. You can access this session variable from all these JSP page and other servlet, right? So this is a global variable. By using this session class, you can access session variable. Variable name is user, value is username. Right. Now from my dashboard page, for example, I am going to print that session name here. Session name is user, right? Logout user. Let's see whether it is working or not. I'm going to refresh. Then after we log in, SD12345. Now you can see it is showing logout, then after username, right? Now by using this session, we can prevent bypassing that particular login, right? For example, I can add the if condition here. So we are using scriptlet tag to add Java condition. If session dot get attribute, our attribute name is what? User, right? If this one is not equal to null, or if this one is equal to null, on that time we can dot send redirect to the index.jsp page, right? If user haven't login, on that time we are going to send this user into the again index.jsp page. Now I'm going to save this one and we'll move into the Safari World home page. Now I'm going to bypass this login, right? So we'll do dashboard.jsp, right? So I already log in, because of that we have this session. I am going to implement this logout also. when you log out on that time, we need to remove this session, right? When you call logout button, that means this method, right? On that time, session will create http session s will be equal to request.get session. Now is dot remove attribute. I'm going to remove attribute user, and also it dot invalidate to remove old session, right? Okay, now when you log out on that time, it will remove this session also. Now we'll run this program again. Let's see whether we have this session variable or not. Okay, no issues. Now we are in the home page. I am going to bypass this one by typing dashboard.jsp. I can't move into this page, right? You can see dashboard.jsp. So we can't bypass because we use if condition. If session.get attribute is not set, if it is equal to null, again we are sending back into the index.jsp. If user is set, on that time we can access this particular website, right? I am going to add this line for update and add new user page also, because user can bypass this page also. Then inside we have update, right? Right. So now we'll try to log in. So I'm going to enter st, then at 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we have successful login. Now I'm going to press logout from the system. We'll check dashboard.jsp. So we can't bypass, right? So this is how you prevent bypassing your login credentials and accessing different page. You can prevent this one using session variable. So to create session, we are using http session class, then after your object name, after that request.get session, after that you can set a variable as many as you want, right? So I am inside the logout button. So inside the login, you can see we have set attribute for the user with the username, right? So we have successfully completed this project. We'll meet with the new project. If you like this video, please share with your friend so they can learn something new. I will share this project as a GitHub link. So link will be on the description. You can download free of charge this entire project, and also with the database file, right?